Here we have a 2014 Chrysler Town & Country touring model. Super clean, medium gray in color. Aluminum wheels, good tires. It's got the roof rack. That up there right now it's folded down, but you can pop those up, put them, span them over top of the van, be able to put things up on top of the vehicle. Your backup camera, 2-inch towing package, hitch and wiring. $70,000 miles, has factory powertrain warranty until next July or 100,000 miles. 2-owner clean Carfax report, which you can see for free on our website, hometownwausau.com. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, black leather interior, power driver's seat, automatic headlights, leather wrapped steering wheel with driver information center, hands-free Bluetooth, cruise control. You got steering wheel stereo controls behind the wheel. Full touchscreen system with built-in hard drive for music and pictures, USB auxiliary input, rear backup cameras in there, automatic dual zone climate control, rear heat and air conditioning as well. Got cup holders all over the place. Here folds out. It's very roomy interior. Power sliding doors on both sides, power rear lift gate. Second row bucket seats. This has got the stow and go seating, so you can fold the seats down flat into the floor. And when they're not stowed, you have lots of storage underneath. You've got the rear DVD player up on top, rear heat and air conditioning controls. What goes with the DVD player, you've got a HDMI input, regular auxiliary input, some power, USBs, as well as a standard AC charging point, power point down there. Third row seat, three seats across, seat belts, very roomy. That seat also folds down flat, so you can take the second row, fold it flat into the floor, third row, fold it flat into the floor, and have a complete flat load surface. This third row seat folds flat back down in here, so then you've got a flat load surface. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, which is hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open until 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.